Monkey Mechanic's delivery has its own brink. New first inning. It's Mr. Crocodile with this boat. Hello, Mr. Monkey. Hello. You glad to see you? Yes. That's the problem. And my sailboat is broke. It's Trusty Monkey Wrench. Ning, ning. Oh, wow. Thank you, Mr. Monkey. You're welcome. In my boat. So, be interesting. Yeah. Okay. Goodbye. Another side customer. You said customers. Now time to eat the cake. So now we can pedal the boat. The sailing boat. See you again next time. Mm, 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 mm. Whoa!